Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your DOOGEE T20 louder. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the Volume app. Choose one of them. I'm always using a GOODEV app, so it's Volume Booster. Now click yes, agree or no thank you 3 times and click close window. Tap on the OK, and the tool is active now, and we can boost our volume power by this little slider. You can see we can increase it to the 60%, it's max, so just adjust it in your needs. And now if you go back to the app, the tool is still active in the background. If you close the app from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, go to the volume booster from your home screen and just stop service. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.